right, so it's the first snow of the season. My neighbor is kind enough to bring his snowblower, and we're gonna start cleaning the snow and take out the cars. So here's a brief look as what has happened so far. Okay, so these are the gears. Okay. सब गाड़ी कैसे निकलेगी? अच्छा अभी रुक जा मैं गाड़ी को निकाल दूँ फिर से चला bring the चाबी. Okay, clean it. So this is how we do it. The main challenge is if the temperature goes up the next day or so and the snow melts, then it's okay. But the next few days, it's going to be below freezing mark for the highest temperature. So it's going to be a lot of ice over here and people can slip. And so that's why after cleaning up this mess, then we have to put some salt. And this is not the regular salt, it is the ice melting salt that we're going to put on the driveway so people can walk to the cars and back at least. All right, so now that we have shuffled the driveway as much as we possibly could, it's still snowing but not as much anymore, and so we have to get a few things done. So we're going to get out. For this vehicle I have to put it in 4-wheel auto so that it doesn't lose traction. All right, so the roads the main roads would be cleaned up by now. That's a good thing in the areas that are at a snow belt. Oh my God, now look at this. They clean the road and they put the whole, I guess, pile. They put the whole pile in front of the driveway. So, but let's go. Neighbors are, look at the street. Neighbors. The problem becomes these side streets, and then the temperature will stay down. Right now, when it's snowing, it's not as cold. It's about 28 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about -3 degrees Celsius. But
well, it feels like 19 right now.
Oh, it feels like 19, which means what? -10 Celsius, something like that. But all of this road surfaces that you see, all of these road surfaces that you see that are wet, they will freeze up, and that's the bigger challenge. that you have no control once they freeze up. So that's where you need to be careful. But in the snow belt areas, they will put the salt on these roads, and they'll treat these roads so that the chances of ice become less and less, but you still have to be careful.